So today we're going to be looking at this piece of brass, and you can see it's definitely brass. It's chrome-plated brass, or also known as chromium-plated brass. But the odd thing is, the magnet sticks to it. But it doesn't stick where I took the angle grinder to it. Now again, like I said, this is chromium plated, also known as chrome plating. Chromium is not magnetic. However, there is a rare occurrence because chromium, it has 6 unpaired electrons, and when the electrons align in a unique direction, they can become magnetized. But I don't think that's what's going on with this today. I think most likely is there was nickel included in the chromium, and the magnet is picking up that nickel because nickel is magnetic. But this is just a good example of why we should always be thorough checking our metals. This piece weighs 4 ounces. If I had thrown this in the shred, that would be 2 cents. But since I know it's brass, this is worth 50 cents. So that's a pretty big difference. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with y'all. I thought that was odd and interesting. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I'd ask that you'd hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, God bless you.